Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop for Survivor Night episode. Bob TV, baby, we got 30 minutes. So I thought I'd make a video. Canopy's still drying. So it's pretty much there. See, all that white, when all that white's gone, it's completely dry. And there's still a little bit. I'll leave it on there another hour. Wait for Survivor to be over an hour and a half. But I know what you're thinking. Bob, why do you have that board taped to the nose of that jet? Canards, man. No. I got to make that board that extends this way. It is not supplied. It is one of them things where it says cut from scrap. Cut from scrap. Now, where'd my pencil go? Where did my pencil go? Sound like a country western song. My pencil gone. My pencil left me. High and dry, country road. Alright, quit singing. Alright, no, now we're going to put that board right there so it'll hold it flat, you see. I'm coming near with my pencil. Like so. Like so, Joe. Okay. Now that and that should be the bottom and top of my fuselage. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, but intake, I don't know if that's a word. I got to allow for them bulkheads. So basically, when I come down here, like so, Joe. Okay, let's cut that up first. Right in the old scrap box of wood, see? Bam, right in the scrap box. Okay, but now, you see it ain't gonna fit in there, it won't go past them bulkheads. So what we gotta do is we can kind of do one of these numbers. Like so. Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. Okay. rolling with it. Okay. Now, let's clean up what we can on the sander. Okay, we'll go any further, see how it looks. Oh, look at that. Oh, I think it's upside down. Man, I want to talk about a perfect fit. I can't say so much yet. I think that's gonna work. Yeah. I believe so, Joe. Bam, we gotta see that. Bam, now I'll take the time, now that I know it's going to fit nicely, it does. Now I'll come back and put all the lighting and all the stuff in it. So we can come in from here. Come a little bit bigger, just freestyle. Well, that's how the book says to do it, but I don't think I'm just gonna go like so. Then I'll come in here and start over on this side. Then I can come in here. You guys seen this? And around these corners. And then I'll put a groove up here and put me some kind of blind nut. You know, it's not threaded. I think I got some threaded piece of aluminum in my junk box. I know I do up there. I'll dig something out. Something out of there. But I'll cut this out of my saw, guys, and it'll look good. Bam. You've seen it here first. We'll see you guys back in the shop after surviving.